Hi friends, welcome to the channel. This series will be very helpful for those preparing for the LEED Green Associate exam. If you are registered for your exam, I highly recommend you go through the entire series. It will provide you with valuable insights and guidance. Each questions and answer option will be explained in detail, making it easier for you to understand every aspect of the question. By the end of the series, you will have a clear understanding of the exam format and the type of questions you might encounter. So please support the channel by subscribing and watching the videos. Your support means a lot. The first question is, what must the project team submit via LEED online in order to verify prerequisite and credit compliance? Options are A. Letter of attestation, B. LEED scorecard, option C. CIR. CIR is credit interpretation request or ratings. Then D. Credit forms. So the answer is option D. Credit form. Now let's study what are credit forms. Credit forms are used to document and verify credits or prerequisite compliance. Credit forms or templates are Adobe Interactive PDF form accessible by project administrator or project team members through LEED Online. Each credit and prerequisite has its own form which lists the documentation requirements for its achievement and signed by a specified team member. Next question is, what are the two primary responsibilities of GBCI? We need to choose two from these options. Options are option A, develops LEED green building rating system. Option B, develops and administrates LEED professional credentialing. Option C, provides and develops LEED-based education and research programs. Option D, administrates the LEED building certification program. Before moving to the answer, we need to know more about GBCI. So GBCI is a separate entity that manages LEED Professional Accreditation Program and the LEED Project Certification process. The GBCI was established in 2008 with the support of US Green Building Council and administrates LEED project certification through third-party certification bodies accredited by the American National Standard Institute. And GBCI complies with ISO standard 17024. So the answer is option B, develops and administrates LEED professional credentialing, and option D, which is administrates the LEED certification program. So they do the professional credential program and building certification program. Next question is, which source consumes the largest amount of energy in commercial buildings? Options are option A is space heating, option B is office equipment, option C water heating, and D for lighting. The answer is option A, space heating, and according to EPA 2008, around 38% of energy is used by commercial buildings for space heating purposes. Question is, which standard, code, organization, or policy provides legal protection of the ozone layer in the United States? The options are option A, Montreal Protocol, option B, Kyoto Protocol, option C, US EPA or US Environmental Protection Agency, and option D, US Department of Energy. Well, for me, it's kind of a tricky question because the first thing that came to my mind when thinking about the protection of ozone layer is the Montreal Protocol. It is actually a global initiative aimed to reduce or completely phasing out the CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbons, to protect the ozone layer. However, However, this question is asking for a more specific organization or policy related to the legal protection of the ozone layer. In that case, the correct answer would be US Environmental Protection Agency or EPA. So the correct answer is option C. So just for the clarity, the Montreal Protocol is an international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer, and as part of the US commitment to implementing the Montreal Protocol, the US Congress amended America's Clean Air Act for the protection of ozone layer, and the US federal agency primarily responsible for the management of air quality and atmospheric protection issues is the US Environmental Protection Agency. Next question is, which type of water is permitted as an alternative water source for indoor water use? The options are option A, well water, option B, used processed water, option C, black water, and option D, river water. The answer is option B, used processed water. So in the indoor water use credit, alternative water sources which are permitted are municipally supplied reclaimed water, grey water, rainwater, stormwater, rainwater and stormwater is similar, and condensate, foundation dewatering water, used processed water, and reverse osmosis reject water. And the untreated water sources which are ineligible for this credit include raw water from naturally occurring surface bodies of water, streams, rivers, groundwater, well water, seawater, etc. Next question. Within what distance from the project site does the location and evaluation factor require several types of mud materials and product to be sourced? Options are option A 100 miles, option B 160 miles, option C 250 miles, and option D 750 miles. Well, the answer is option A 100 miles, which is equal to 160 kilometers. Next question. What is the primary purpose of the LEED scorecard? Options are option A allows the project team to track attempted credit points. Option B allows the project team to track prerequisites. Option C allows the project team to track MPRs. Option D allows the owner to track the performance of the project team. So the answer of the question is option A allows the project team to track attempted credit points. Today we discussed some key questions and answers for the LEED Green Associate and APA exams. These questions are relevant to both exams and will be very helpful for your preparation. So I highly recommend you to subscribe to the channel and stay updated. By subscribing, you will get notified as soon as the new content uploaded. Thank you.